Hi, my name is Naren and I finally got my new iPhone 13 Pro. This video will cover the unboxing of the new iPhone. I'll be covering tips and tricks and other content on the other upcoming videos, so do subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So here it comes. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful? The package includes iPhone 13 Pro and Lightning to USB-C cable. Power adapter and headphones are sold separately. Apple says they want to reduce the e-waste and that's why they have stopped including power adapter in the box. Yeah, but still keeps the price high. Anyways, it has support for 5G at sub 6 GHz, which means that the radio frequency band below 6 GHz will only be supported. It is definitely faster than LTE but won't be able to reach the max speeds that true 5G with wave can offer. The box looks beautiful. Initially I thought that the actual iPhone is bumping out of this, but yes, I was wrong. Let's peel this off. Here it is. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, manual. We don't need that. Yeah, they're the same old Mac stickers. I have lots of these. Here we have the Lightning to USB-C cable. So that's all in the box, nothing else. So now let's peel off the screen cover. Wow, so this is the new iPhone. Isn't it beautiful? So here we have the power button, nothing at the top. Then there's a silent switch, and then volume up and down buttons. And there's a SIM tray and lightning jack at the bottom along with the speakers. So again, no USB-C in the iPhones. Hopefully with the new European laws, iPhone will have to incorporate USB-C in the future iPhones. Let's hope for the best. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be uploading the video on how to set up the new iPhone 13 Pro, and please like and share. Adios.